Hello and welcome back to what you need to know for ProPresenter operators. In this video, we're going to talk about arrangements, and we're going to pick up right where we left off in the last video. We're still on this song, Goodness of God, and we've got this arrangement right here in the arranger, and we saw a little bit in the last video about how these groups interact with each other. So let's go ahead and create a new arrangement. We're going to come to the drop down right here, go to New Arrangement. If it's going to be like a one-off arrangement, it's good to have the date as our arrangement. So today is June 15th, so that is going to be the name of my arrangement for this song. I'm going to click OK, and it's just gone ahead and already added all of the groups in our song. We are going to, of course, have our intro at the beginning. We're going to have our ending at the end. We are only going to do one verse, one chorus, one bridge. The same chorus is going to be repeated. Maybe we will have an instrumental right here before the bridge, and there is our new arrangement of this song. The biggest problem that we can run into with arrangements is by editing and primarily reflowing the text in an arrangement. If I were to reflow the lyrics of this verse right here to have one line of text per slide, it's also going to reflow the lyrics on our standard arrangement. The standard arrangement cannot change because it is set up to be run by Ableton, and if we change anything, it is going to ruin that. In our rehearsal, we're going to have somebody come back here and take 5 or 10 minutes and fix the arrangement in ProPresenter, and that's 5 and 10 minutes when the band is just going to be standing on stage doing nothing. It's just a big waste of time. No matter what, it doesn't matter. You cannot reflow text on an established song that is set up already with Ableton to work with the automatic select slide tracks. However, there are instances where we actually kind of need to do some different arrangements. We might just have a song where the ProPresenter operator wants to add a blank slide in between the two sections of the chorus right here. Maybe there's a pause. The band is just going to have a down moment or a spontaneous moment in the middle of the chorus. I don't know why they would, but they might have a blank slide that we just copy and we paste it in the middle of this. And of course, we're going to remove that stage action right there. Now, of course, that has changed that also for our standard arrangement, and we can see that right there. It might be that we actually need to do this for a particular Sunday. If we needed to do this, if we needed to reflow or change or add slides or remove slides, we would have to actually go to our library and create an entire new version of that song. So we're not just talking about an arrangement anymore. We're talking about a new version. We're just going to come over here to the song. I'm going to right click on it and I am going to duplicate it. Now, since I duplicated it right here, I'm going to come back here and I'm going to fix this. I'm going to remove that slide right here. This arrangement that we just created, we're not going to actually use that, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Let's go to that new version that we just created, rename it. Again, we might just rename it to the date. Now we've got an entirely new file on the computer for this song. Now, if we make changes to this version right here, it will not affect this version right here because they are different files on the computer entirely. We can come here and we can reflow these lyrics exactly like we wanted to and make it one line of text per slide. And if we go back to our original standard version, that's verse 1 right there, we can see it is untouched. In this version, we've still got that blank slide in the chorus that we added that we needed there for that spontaneous moment, and that's in chorus 1 right here. If we go back to chorus 1 right here, there is no blank slide. If we absolutely need to do things like reflow the text or add slides or delete slides for any reason whatsoever, you absolutely must go to the library and create an entirely new version of the song. Then we'd have to right click on it and add it to our Sunday morning playlist.